I am in a 2009 Ford Ranger. We're going to be adding a key. We have one existing key here that works, and then one key here that is not programmed. We're going to go stick the key in to the ignition, turn it on. Our security light, you can see it's blinking right there when it gets focused. Go to Ranger, key coding, 09. Check how many keys are in. 2. I'm gonna program key. All right, this says timed access is required. I'm gonna go ahead and stop here, and I'm gonna go under Mazda and show you how this can be bypassed with the next video. Okay, I'm back on the 09 Ranger. We're gonna go under Mazda and show how you can use the bypass on this. Because for some reason we're getting timed here, even though we know bypass works. So let's go to Mazda. Let's go to Mazda 6. So roughly same year. We don't want to do procs. Okay. Okay, it's not going to be this menu because it failed under communication. Mazda 308. Two keys. Now let's see what happens here. Program key. It'll give you a choice for both. If I hit coded, it's allowed. Hit enter, turn the key off, turn it back on, enter. Try it again. Because I know it works. Let's just try erase keys. I'm watching the security light to see if it goes out or not. Coded. No, it's still flashing. It's probably going to time out. No keys programmed. Off. Remove key from ignition. Okay. Turn it on. Okay. It did work when I hit erase. Okay. Take the next key. And it sure did. That's it. It worked. Go to here. 2 keys complete. Yeah. So let's start over here. Here's my new key right here. Yep, that starts up. So let's see what happens here. So if I go under